Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic, fiery and flavorful mutton vindaloo, a popular Goan dish with a perfect balance of spices and tangy goodness. Let's jump right in. We'll take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Along with this, here we will also add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns, 4 cloves, 5 dry red chilies, and 1 cinnamon stick. Now dry roast these spices on low flame for about 3 minutes until they release their aromas. Once roasted, we'll then set them aside to cool down. Once cooled, add the roasted spices to a grinder jar. Along with this, we are also going to add 10 garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, and 1/4 cup of water. Grind everything into a smooth paste, which will be the base of our vindaloo marinade. Next, in a large bowl, take 500 grams of mutton and pour in the freshly ground vindaloo paste. Mix it thoroughly so the mutton absorbs all the flavors. Now, marinate this for at least 6 hours, but I suggest for the best results, let it set overnight in the fridge. After the marination, we'll heat up a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start to crackle, toss in 1 medium-sized onion. We'll then saute the onions on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Now, add the marinated pieces of mutton into the pan. Stir this well and let the mutton cook in the onions and spices for 5 minutes. After that, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and the salt as per taste. Now mix everything together and cook for another 5 minutes. Next, pour in 1 cup of water, stir all of this together once again, and let the mutton simmer in the rich masala. We will cover the pan with a lid and let it cook on low flame for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. If the curry gets too dry, feel free to add more water. After 30 minutes, remove the lid, give the mutton vindaloo a final stir, and garnish it with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Just like that, your delicious mutton vindaloo is ready to be served. So if you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.